Welcome to the new session of DHTML subject. In this session, I am going to discuss about the CSS comments and the types of CSS. So let's start with the CSS comments. The comments are basically used to explain the CSS codes. It does not execute. So whatever you write it as a comment, that won't show on your browser window. CSS comments to make your style sheet more readable, because see, the comments are the necessary part of any program, because if your program is given to someone else to modify or to understand, or for maybe one or another reason, right? So what variable you have used for what reason, what style you have applied for what reason, right? So that is just to clarify the things, that this was the code is used for this particular reason, right? So it is like again the supportive system to explain your code, but that won't show on the browser. So that is the benefit, and it is maintained. See, so to make your style sheet more readable, and it is maintained for another developer for the further expansion of the code. It's a good practice to use CSS comments to help identify the parts of any style sheet that might be difficult to understand by others. There are two types of comments. It's similar to your C programming. The style, the way to write the comments is similar to the C programming. So two types of comments: the single line comment and multi-line comment. Now for the single line comment, the CSS use a same block comments syntax as C-like language. Single line comments starts with double slash, and comment is written without breaking the line is called single line comment. If you want to write a one line comment, so you have to start your comment with this two slash. If the multi-line comments, right, so the multi-line comment starts with one slash and the star symbol, I mean this star is called as asterisk symbol. So slash and asterisk, and then you have to start typing your comment. The n number of lines you can write as a comment, but it should be end with asterisk symbol and then slash. So this is how you can write the single line comment and the multi-line comment. Now in this syntax, see the example on your screen, you can see that. The first example shows that this is the single line comment. So you have mentioned the body, the background color, colon, the hash, I mean the hexadecimal value of the color is given, and I have mentioned as a comment, it's a single line comment, that the background color is green. Now this is multi-line comment example, where we have the P selector and the properties are like color, font size and font style. So its multi-line comment is written, I mean it start with slash and asterisk symbol. So here paragraph's font color is green, font size is 24 and font style is mentioned bold, right, and it's and with again asterisk and slash symbol, right. So if you won't close the comment, right, and if you start typing the code, the original code, so that is also considered as comment, so you will not get the output. So just make sure You have to start with the specific symbol to add the comment, and it should be and with the specific symbol if it is a multi-line comment. In single line comment, you don't require to close the comment because it's a one line comment. The next we have, that is types of style sheet. So there are three types of style sheet in CSS: inline CSS, internal or embedded CSS, and the third one is external CSS. All these three CSS work similar as its name, inline CSS. So that means within a line you can write the CSS code. Internal CSS, that means in one file itself, the HTML file, you can write the CSS code, but it is not within the HTML line. Inline is different and internal is different. And the third one is external CSS. So external word has been used for the third type. So it's like there's a separate HTML code, I mean the separate file for the HTML code and separate file for the CSS code. Only the thing is you need to link this two file to work together, HTML and CSS. So this is the basic idea of this three types of style sheet. So that's it for today. In the next session, I'll be continue with the inline session.